Hi everyone and welcome! Today let's make an easy and delicious chocolate lava cake. I will make 2 lava cakes in 240 milliliter ramekins. You can use different size ramekins and adjust the baking time. Let's start by setting the oven to heat to 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's spread butter inside the ramekins so that the cake does not stick to the sides. And put a layer of powdered sugar on top of the butter. Now the ramekins are ready and we can put 115 grams of chocolate and 20 grams of butter to melt on the stove in a water bath. The water in the pot is boiling, so let's put a small pot with chocolate in it and add butter. Once the chocolate and butter have melted, let's put them aside to cool a bit. Let's put 2 room temperature eggs in a bowl and 20 grams of sugar and beat the eggs with an electric mixer till they are light and fluffy. Let's add a pinch of salt to the eggs and sift and mix in 20 grams of flour. I need to make sure the chocolate butter mix is not hot anymore and can gradually add it to the egg yolks now. The batter is ready and we can put it into the ramekins, filling about 2/3, as the cake will grow while baking. We can put the lava cake to bake till the sides of the cake start to slightly separate from the ramekin and the top of the cake looks cooked. For me, it takes 7 minutes, depending on your oven altitude as well as the size of ramekins. It can take a few more minutes. You can bake one cake and see if you need a bit less or more time to have the runny chocolate lava inside the cake. But even if you don't have it at the first attempt, the cake is still delicious. After removing the cake from the oven, let it cool for a few minutes in the ramekin. Flip it on a plate, decorate, and enjoy. Happy baking and see you next week. Bye!